morning, guys. It is a Monday here. Jackson has the extra hour at school today for like a makeup COVID day, COVID exposure day, I guess. We haven't got it ourselves, but it was in our classroom, so they canceled it for like basically a week. So I am all dressed for the cold. It's not that cold, it's like 50 degrees. It should be warmer today. But me and Maddie are gonna go on a nice run. I do the app C 25K and I like it. It's kind of like a plan for running. So I did it when I trained for my 5K pre-COVID. I did like a Valentine's Day run. So I'm working on that again. Hopefully I can do a 10K in the future. I still have some weight to lose, pre-baby weight, and then like I have a goal weight after that too. So yeah, I'm just kind of working on my fitness and stuff, especially when Jackson's in school. So yes, I'm going on my run. I have a FabFitFun Box I can share with you guys here a little later on. But yeah, let's get into the day. The run went really well. Like I said earlier, I do the C25K app. There's a free version of it, and then there's one where you can pay for it. So I do the free version, and well, it's kind of, you don't run the whole time. It's like walk some, run some, but I like it because it kind of tells you when you can like pace yourself. So Madeline is now taking a nap. She fell asleep maybe halfway through, and she is now taking a nap. I moved her car seat into the living room where I have a baby monitor. So she's just taking her nap next to her swing where like I have the baby monitor, so she can hang out and do that. And then I'm just kind of getting ready real quick. I've been enjoying just kind of doing quick curls, nothing crazy, no like real hairspray or anything like that. Just give it some body and wave. I did this the other day and my son Jackson was like laughing at me and saying that I looked silly because he's just used to me with straight hair. But I don't know, I just want to try something a little different. I'm hopeful for the future. I feel like the cases and numbers, everything have been getting better. We still haven't got it, so I'm still kind of like nervous about it, to be completely honest. I have like my grandparents are living with my parents right now. I still have Madeline. She turned 5 months old today. I can't believe it. I've been enjoying just kind of getting myself relatively ready. I feel like I never like really curled my hair back in the day. Like I had a lot of like friends that curled their hair. I feel like I just never was really good at it, and it looked prettier on other people. I don't know. What do you guys think? I just feel like I don't know how to curl my hair, or my hair doesn't curl well, or what. So I'm currently in Madeline's room. She is still napping, which is good. She must be going through a growth spurt or whatever. 5 months, we gotta take pictures. This is like my favorite room in the house. It used to be my kind of filming area in the house before I had her, so I still really enjoy filming in here. I like the colored paint, all that kind of stuff, really good lighting. So let's get into this FabFitFun Box. I do pay for the subscription. I get the yearly membership. I feel like this is the smallest box it has ever been, but let's get into it. Now, I did not buy any add-ons or anything this time around. Okay, the first thing here is from Kate Spade. You guys know I love Kate Spade earrings. I wear the pearl ones, pearl studs all the time, and the diamond studs. So these look pretty. These are like a pretty kind of like opal color. So that is what those look like. Definitely really pretty, stunning, kind of like a glitter kind of color. Very pretty. Excited about that. Then we have two really big claw clips. These are definitely popular right now. It's from Gemelli, and I love throwing my hair up. Normally I have a lot of scrunchies, but I do have like these like circle kind of clips. So these are the kind of the big claw bear clips. So you get a matte black clip, and then you also get the kind of tortoise brown clip. So I really enjoy having these on hand, and I had smaller versions of that, but definitely am happy with that one. Then I have from Pharmacy, this is the Honey Halo. This is the Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer. And I feel like I've tried the Honey Mask and really liked it. I do really enjoy Pharmacy products. So I am excited to try this moisturizer. My skin is more on the normal to dry, especially in the winter time. So definitely something I'm looking for. I feel like I need to go through my like makeup, skincare, hair care, and honestly think, have I had this longer than I've had my son, who will be 4 years old in March? And if I have, then I need to get rid of it. So what I really too like about Pharmacy products is they have the magnetic little spatula to the thing so you can't lose it. I really do like that Honey face mask. I need to probably check that out, but this is their moisturizer. So excited to use that. And I do believe I picked majority of these products out. Then I got the Kate Somerville. This is the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Now, this is a product I have loved for years. It's something I could not use when I was pregnant, and skincare only lasts so long. So definitely excited to have this. It's kind of like a green color. Really like the smell of it. I really liked this product, saw a lot of good things, so I'm excited that it was a choice. And then this is from Josie Maran. This is the Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. I love a lot of Josie Maran products, and I've had this and used this before in the past. So I'm really excited to have this again. I remember this smelling so good. I think like with me, if y'all been following me for a long time, like I was super big into beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, all that kind of stuff. And then I had my son, and then I wanted to have my daughter. So now I'm kind of like done having kids, but all of my stuff is super, super old. And now Madeline is of like the age where like I can start getting myself ready more and do that kind of stuff. So I'm just really excited to get back into the beauty routines and stuff like that. So I feel like I definitely want more beauty in this FabFitFun box. And I cannot open this little, where we go. Oh yeah, smells so good. Like an orange sickle. Oh, smells so good. I am so excited to use this tonight. I'll definitely be using these products. And then we have, this is a little traveling jewelry case from Gemelli. I love the like kind of zebra design on it. And this will be good for when we start traveling again. Me and my husband like to go travel once a year without the kids, and then we like to take the kids to the beach and the mountains. So this will be nice to kind of have with us. It can have my rings and necklaces, stuff like that. So it's pretty nice. So excited to have that. And then this last thing is an eyeshadow palette. This is from Patrick Starr, One Size Visionary eyeshadow palette. I haven't tried anything from this line. I feel like he came out with a makeup brand like when I was starting to try and just declutter all this stuff. I don't know if this is supposed to be, I guess it is supposed to be like that. It's kind of like crooked. Is that how it's supposed to be? I'm not sure. Maybe so, because it's kind of like, I don't know, this just seems weird to me, like it's not fully closed. But this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's a little bit more on the darker side for me. Definitely will kind of play with some of these shades. They're definitely creamy. So that is what those look like. Definitely something fun to play with. I feel like all of my eyeshadow palettes and makeup are all super expired, so I wanted to play with something different. Haven't played with that before, and I feel like that was kind of the best choice for me. But that is everything that is in my FabFitFun box. I feel like it's definitely a lot smaller things, but it's definitely more beauty things, more higher end things, and things I know I will love. So I'm really excited about this FabFitFun box. If you haven't seen my last vlog, I will link it up above, but I'm starting to try and organize and declutter my house, starting from a small area and continuing on. So I'm focusing right now on my master bathroom, and it is a process, guys. It's not something that I'm knocking out in one day or continuing on the following day. I have 2 children, and we got to get through life too. So I'm working on that, cleaning and doing all that kind of stuff. I need to do some hand washing of things, but mainly I need to work on the laundry as always. So it is a lot later in the day. My makeup is like all messed up. I used the Charlotte Tilbury push-up lashes. Do you need help with your shirt, Bubba? But we took pictures of Madeline for her 5 months. I edited a video, we did dinner, bath time, and we played a new game, Yeti and My Spaghetti, after dinner, which was super fun. Right now we're in Maddie's room. She's doing some tummy time, and then we'll get ready here for bed very soon. So it has been fun. Daddy is still at work, working late as always. Nothing like your dog rolling around outside. Copper is feeling so much better since his surgery and he's done with his medicines, but this puppy is super dirty. So we got to clean him off, give him a bath. Goodness, but thank you guys for watching. I'm going to go ahead and clean Copper off now, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.